Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we will be cooking Kung Pao Chicken. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to season our chicken. I have with me over here 280 grams of chicken thigh meat. I've removed the skin and cut them into small pieces like this. We'll add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Sprinkle some white pepper and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well and set them aside. Now we are going to prepare the sauce. I have with me over here 200 milliliters of water. Add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix this up well, and now we'll go and cook our dish. Now we are going to cook our dish. Heat up a pan of oil. When the pan is hot enough, we'll add in 5 grams of ginger, thinly sliced, 100 grams of red onions, cut into pieces like this. Just put it in. 2 stalks of spring onion. I'm utilizing only the stem at this moment. Just put it in. 5 cloves of garlic, sliced thinly. Just put it in too. 10 pieces of dried chili, rehydrated. I've deseeded it so it does not retain too much of a heat. I'm using medium heat now. We'll fry this until we can smell the beautiful aroma that's coming out from all these beautiful ingredients. Almost immediately I can smell them. Really, really good. Smells really good. Now I'll add in our sauce. Pour the sauce in. Make sure that the sauce comes to a boil, and we'll add in our chicken. Put the chicken in. Make sure you spread them out. Normally for this dish, the chicken will be deep fried so that the sauce will stick onto the chicken easier. But for home-wise, I would like to do it this way because it's much easier and I don't have to wash a lot of utensils. So now we'll put the lid on, turn the heat down to medium-low, and we'll let this cook for approximately 2 or 3 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 3 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Smells very good. Give it a light stir. Now we can turn the heat up to medium. Adding 1 teaspoon of Szechuan peppercorn. I've dry roasted this and grind this to a fine light powder form like this. So just pour it in and mix this up really well. Now we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of black vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. Give it a stir. Add in also a handful of roasted peanuts. You can use cashew nuts if you want to. This will add some crunch to the dish. And finally, we'll add in the rest of the spring onion. Turn off the heat and we will serve our dish now. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Wow, smells really, really good. Try the chicken. Tender, a little bit of the smoky flavor from the dried chili, a little bit of spiciness. This is really fantastic with rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.